Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start WordPress using XAMPP. First, download and install XAMPP from the official Apache Friends website. Once installed, open the XAMPP control panel and start both the Apache and MySQL modules. These are essential for running your local server and database. Next, download the latest WordPress package from WordPress.org to prepare for installation. After downloading WordPress, extract the compressed zip file to reveal its contents. Locate the extracted WordPress folder and copy it. Now, navigate to your XAMPP installation directory, find the htdocs folder, and paste the WordPress folder inside. For easier access and management, rename this new folder to something simple like My Website or Blog, which will be part of your local URL. With your WordPress files in place, it's time to create a database. Open your web browser and type http://localhost/phpMyAdmin into the address bar. Once phpMyAdmin loads, click on the New Option or Databases tab to begin creating a new database. Provide a clear and descriptive name for your database, such as WordPress DB, and then click Create. This database will store all your WordPress site's information. Finally, let's configure WordPress. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost/ your renamed folder, for example, http://localhost/mywebsite. You'll be greeted by the WordPress installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and proceed. When asked for database details, enter your database name, use root as the username, and leave the password field blank. Complete the setup by providing your site title, an administrator username, a strong password, and your email address to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.